Mazda CX-9. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out to change the bulb. We already did it, so I'm kind of show you in reverse. So you have to open the hatch, and we're going to look at the bulb. And right here is two screws or 10 millimeters. Let's see what they are. They appear to be screws, Phillips screws. You may have something else on there. And you take those two screws out. Let me see if we got the correct side. All right, this is the correct side. You take those two screws out. Now, the question is, what else holds this bulb in? It's this little pressure clip, which is on that slide right there. So when the light's in there and you have those two out, you want to hold the light with one hand and you want to kind of hit it that way. But you want to try to wiggle it first from here. If you wiggle it, it will come out most of the time. But if not, you have to really hold it with one hand and then hit it like this. Boom, boom. With the other hand, because you're holding it with this hand so it don't fly off and damage anything. So, and then once you get the lights out, these screw out. You turn them. They come out of these holes here. If you need to change a bulb, you just pull it straight out and plug it back in. Now there's little numbers on these bulbs. You can go to your local supply house and they can give you the light based upon the number. You can tell them the make and model of the car, tell them it's a reverse light, park light, whatever you have. And then you just plug them in with your Christmas light, screw them back into the light assembly, and then put everything back together. That's the quick version. And Joe Beermaster, Car Master, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.